You do not need 1,000 subscribers to make money on YouTube. In fact, some of you could make your first dollar this week. And I'm not talking about AdSense. I'm talking about real money from real people. Even if your last video only got 59 views. I used to believe I had to wait until I hit 1,000 subscribers too. And I was completely wrong. So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 ways that you can start making money on YouTube right now, even if you just started your channel yesterday. And I'm not kidding you. Here's where people mess up or mess this up, because nobody tells you when you start a YouTube channel, YouTube is not your customer. Your audience is your customer. And you don't need a massive audience to find people who are willing to pay for what you have to offer. You just need the right audience. That is the bottom line. Hey there, I'm Cheryl, and today we're going to talk about how to actually make money on and off this platform without begging YouTube for permission first. You don't need permission from YouTube. Here's what the YouTube gurus love to talk about. Get 1,000 subscribers, rack up 4,000 watch hours, which is not easy to do. Get into the partner program, and then finally, AdSense kicks in and YouTube starts cutting monthly checks. And yes, that's one way to make money, but it's one of the slowest way. It's the wait and hope strategy. And while you're sitting there waiting, you could already be earning some money from your audience. I'm going to walk you through 5 methods that work, whether you have 10 subscribers or 10,000 subscribers. And none of them require YouTube's permission. And method number 3 is where things get really interesting. And I'm also going to show you one method that most people completely overlook. This one alone can outperform AdSense. Today, we are just starting with 5 because you can begin every single one of them this week, today. By the way, I go much deeper into this inside my ebook. Make sure you watch until the end because the last method can easily make you more than AdSense ever will. And I will drop a few hints and examples of what's inside my ebook. But don't worry, I'm giving you everything you need to get started right here in this video. We begin with method number 1, and that's affiliate marketing. This one is hands down the fastest way to make your very first dollar on YouTube. So don't sleep on this one. Here's how it works. You recommend a product or service in your videos. You drop a special link in your description. When someone clicks that link and buys, you earn a commission, usually anywhere from 2% to 50%, depending on what you're promoting. And here's the key part. You don't need subscribers for this to work. You need one person to click and buy from that link in your description. Your 3rd video could make you $20. Your 10th video could make you $100. And over time, it compounds because your videos don't die after a week. They're still there in your playlist. People keep finding them, watching them, clicking those same links that you put in every video's description. Whatever you're teaching, you're already using tools, products, and resources. Your camera, your editing software, books that you love, supplies that you can't live without. Every single thing that you mention as a recommendation or suggestion to your audience can have an affiliate link attached to it. So make sure you put your affiliate links in your description. I would recommend starting with Amazon Associates. It's free. It takes about 10 minutes to set up, and they approve almost everybody. You have 180 days to make your first sale. That's enough time. If they close your account because you didn't make any sale within the 180 days, just reopen it. It's no big deal. You can also look at platforms like Share a Sale or Impact or individual company programs. Think of tools like Canva, ConvertKit, or Kajabi. They all have affiliate programs. They all have their own affiliate programs, believe it or not. Then in your videos, you're going to just say something like, everything that I'm using today is linked in the description below. That's it. That's the whole strategy in a nutshell. I made my first $35 in affiliate commissions when I had 45 subscribers. One person bought a tripod. Someone else grabbed a light kit. That was proof, real proof, that you don't need a big audience to earn money on YouTube. So don't let anybody tell you otherwise. One rule though, only recommend things that you actually use and believe in. Your small audience already trusts you. So don't break that for a $3 commission. It's not worth it. Method number 2, sell digital products. This is the second method, and it's something that I am doing right now. This is where things start to get really interesting though, even with a tiny audience. Here's the concept. You create something once, maybe it's a guide, a workbook, a master class, a checklist, a template, a mini course, and you sell it over and over again. And it's yours. No physical inventory, no shipping, and it has a high profit margin because it's yours. You build it once and it sells while you sleep. Let me put this in perspective. Let's say a video gets 100 views. If just one person buys a $27 guide, you just made $27. If 2 people buy, $54. That's more than most small channels make from 100 AdSense views. You don't need thousands of people, rather. You just need a few people with a problem that you have the solution to. What can you sell? Think about what you teach. A meal planning template if you have a cooking channel. A planting calendar if you do gardening. A content planning workbook if you teach YouTube. A budgeting spreadsheet for finance channels. A morning routine guide for productivity. Match your digital product to your niche and the problems that your viewers are already asking you about. Always remember that. And speaking of digital products, remember I mentioned that I created my ebook, 40 plus epic ways to make money outside of AdSense. That's the title. I did this specifically because so many creators get stuck waiting on YouTube to pay them. And sometimes that payment cannot pay your bills. This ebook maps out over 40 revenue streams that you can tap into right now, regardless of your subscriber count. The link will be in the description below, and these are ways to make money outside of the 5 that I'm sharing today. To get started with your digital product, pick one question that your audience always asks you. Create a simple PDF that answers it thoroughly. 10 to 20 pages is enough. Use Canva to make it look polished and sell it on Gumroad or Stan Store. And then in your video, you're going to say something like, if you want my complete guide, the link is in the description. Done. Period. That's it. One piece of advice that I'll never forget. Do not judge your customer by your own wallet. Someone once told me that, and it changed how I priced everything. The bigger the problem and the faster your solution, delivering the results that they want, the more that you can charge. Method number 3, coaching and consulting. This is actually the highest earning method on today's list. And you can start it with under 100 subscribers. Yes, you can. Here's how it works. Your YouTube videos are proof of your expertise because people are watching it. Someone watches and thinks, I wonder if she can help me specifically. They book a session with you and you help them solve their exact problem. They pay you, no subscriber count required, just one person who needs your specific help. That's how that works. Why would someone pay you for a coaching call when there's so much free content on YouTube? I'm glad you asked. Well, it's because YouTube content is not organized around their specific situation. They'd have to sift through dozens of videos just to piece together an answer, and it still might not even apply to them. So a coaching call gives them answers that are tailored exactly to where they are right now. That's incredibly valuable to so many people. And that's what they are searching for. And that's what you have to offer. And let's continue. Start at $50 to $100 per session as a beginner. Once you have a few testimonials, then you can raise your rates. 5 clients at $100 each is $500 that month. 10 clients is $1,000, and that's from a small channel. And the good thing is that you will get referrals from more clients from the clients that you served before. You don't have to be the world's leading expert either. You just need to be a few steps ahead of the person that you're helping. In fact, someone who just went through what your client is struggling with right now is often more helpful than a distant guru at the top of the mountain who has no clue what your client is going through. To get started, decide what you'll help people with. Set your price, create a free booking page on Calendly, set up Zoom, which is also free. In your video descriptions, add a line that says, if you want personal help with this, I offer one-on-one coaching. And then you put your link right there underneath in the description. Here's a pro tip. Offer 2 or 3 free sessions at first to get testimonials and to find your rhythm. Then you can start charging. And once you're booking several clients per week, consider moving to group coaching calls. That's where the real income potential is, where you're making money from, a group of people. Method number 4 is selling services. And this one is perfect if you're already doing any kind of freelance or consulting work. Your YouTube channel is going to become your portfolio for this one. Your audition tape, your credibility builder, and all of it in one place. Think about it this way. If you're a graphic designer making videos about Canva tips and your design process, someone watching might think, I don't want to learn this. I want to hire her or hire him. And then they're going to reach out to you. You didn't make money directly from that video, but that video just landed you a $2,000 client. And that's how it works. This works in virtually any service niche. A copywriter who teaches writing gets hired to write someone's website for $3,000. A virtual assistant who teaches productivity systems lands $1,500 per month retainer. A bookkeeper teaching QuickBooks attracts small business owners who need their books done. An interior decorator showing her process books a $5,000 home makeover. It's as simple as that. YouTube isn't paying you directly, but YouTube is attracting the people who will pay you. You only need 1 client to make it worth it. If you post 10 videos, get 500 total views, and land one $2,000 project, that's $4 per view. AdSense won't come close to that in many cases. Make it obvious what you do. Show your work in your videos. Put it in your channel banner. Add a line to your descriptions. Something like, I'm currently taking clients, email me at, and then you include the email. Say it in your videos. Something like, if you'd rather have someone do this for you, I offer, and then you state your service. The link is below. Be direct. Your videos are already proving that you know what you're doing. That's more powerful than any resume could do. All right? Now, method number 5 is one that flies completely under the radar. And it's powerful for the right niches. It does require a little upfront investment, though, to buy a product. But the payoff can be very, very instrumental and very real. The idea is this. If you're teaching something hands-on, such as crafting, cooking, gardening, art, and home decor, you're going to bundle the supplies that people need and sell them as a kit. Your viewer is going to watch you make something in your videos and thinks, I want to make that. But instead of sending them to hunt across 6 different stores for 10 different products, you're going to say, I'll put together a kit with everything you need. The link is below in the description. They're going to click, they're going to buy, and you're going to earn. Simple. Some examples: a quilting channel selling fabric bundles and patterns, a painting channel offering the exact colors, brushes, and canvas from a tutorial, a baking channel bundling specialty ingredients with a recipe card, a gardening channel selling a seed collection with a planting guide, a home decor channel putting together a styled tray kit with candle, napkins, and a small plant. I actually bought a Stay Cozy kit once, which consists of a blanket, a candle, some soup mix, and a mug, all in a pretty box with tissue paper and a ribbon. It made me feel so special. It was $99 and I bought it because someone made it look irresistible in a video. That's the power of this particular method. All you have to do is to start small, source supplies in bulk or wholesale, package them yourself, sell through Shopify or Etsy. In your video, create a little urgency. Something like, I'll put together a kit with everything you need to make this. I'm only making 10 of them. And the link is in the description below. Scarcity drives action. Sell out and then just do it again. Okay, that's the 5 methods that I promised. We covered a lot of ground, don't you think? So which one do you start with? Let me know in the comment section. If you want the fastest, easiest first win though, I would say start with affiliate marketing first. It takes 10 minutes to set up and there's zero financial risk. There's no investment. If you have something to teach and you want income that scales, add digital products and maybe a coaching option as well. Then you're going to pick whichever of the remaining methods that I mentioned feels right to you for your particular niche, services or product kits, and then you're going to work toward that. But here's my real advice. Pick one first. Start it this week. Finish it, and then you move to the next one. Because you don't want to confuse yourself, you know what I mean? And if you want to see the full picture of what's possible, all 40 plus income streams that don't depend on AdSense or subscriber counts or watch hours, grab my ebook that I mentioned, 40 plus epic ways to make money outside of AdSense. The link is in the description. It's the roadmap that I wish I had when I started. This is a great companion to help you get started. Trust me on this one. I hope I've convinced you today that you do not need YouTube's monetization program to make money on YouTube. You don't need 1,000 subscribers either. You don't need 1 million views. You just need to solve someone's problem and give them a way to pay you for that. Your next video could bring you the first sale, the first paying customer, but only if you actually have something to offer. And I've given you 5 of them. Drop a comment and tell me which method that you're going to try first. And if you want to see how I get all of this done without spending all day on YouTube, check out my playlist next. Thank you so much for watching. Now go make some money. I'll see you in the next video.